Hi everyone, it's Tom Pullen from Innovinco, and I've got an exciting announcement to make. Starting this Wednesday and then every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I'm going to be giving short innovation tutorials called Inno101 on this YouTube channel, Innovinco TV. Those of you who already know me know how passionate I am about democratizing innovation skills within large organizations, because that's one of the key ways to unleash innovation potential and therefore make a concrete impact in the world. We know that innovation is going to be really important to help drive growth in this tough economic climate that we're going into, and so this is our very small way of helping you out with that. So the concept is really simple. We're going to be releasing one video which lasts about 2 minutes, 3 times a week. And I'm going to be answering the most common questions about innovation, how to innovate, and also sharing some tools, tips, and techniques to help build your innovation capability and confidence. These tutorials have been designed for people starting on their innovation journey, but they'll also be a very useful reminder for those people with a little bit more innovation experience. So join us for Inno101 with me, Tom Pullen, on this YouTube channel, Innovinco TV, starting this Wednesday. We hope to see you there.